Let's start with tying the wrap. First, find the label on the wrap and position it at the center of your body. Keep the top edge horizontal and guide it under your arms. Cross the two straps on your back and bring them up over your shoulders. Now, pull both straps horizontally to tighten them before placing your baby inside. Pick up your baby. For newborns or babies who can't hold their heads yet, the wrap should reach up to the middle of their ears. For older babies, the fabric only needs to reach their shoulders. Hold your baby under their bottom while resting them on your shoulder. With your other hand, reach under the wrap and guide both of their legs through. Find the top edge and pull it upward along the baby's back while gently settling them into the wrap. Make sure this layer spreads smoothly without folds. Any excess fabric should be tucked under the baby's bottom. Now, tighten the wrap by pulling both straps outward horizontally. Repeat this motion twice on each side to secure the hold. Then, cross the straps on your baby's back. This will hold them securely while you guide the fabric under their knees to tie a double knot at your waist. It's important to secure the wrap as soon as you can. Now comes the spreading of the crossed straps. Take the top edge of the lower tail and spread it smoothly across the baby's back to the opposite knee. Gather any excess fabric under the same side knee. Repeat this on the other side. Your baby is now securely supported by 3 layers of fabric from knee to knee. Now let's check the baby's position. Your baby's body should be in a completely vertical position, with their legs also hanging vertically and feet parallel to the ground. If you need to adjust, reach under their knees and adjust the baby's legs by lifting their thighs slightly. Also, make sure the fabric spreads widely across your back. If the straps hanging down your waist bother you, bring them forward under the baby's legs and tie an extra knot in the front. If your baby falls asleep, you can fold the top edge of the wrap over your shoulder on the side where the baby's head rests. Just make sure the opposite side still supports their head. Taking the baby out is just as easy. Hold your baby's bottom with one hand. With your other hand, gently slide the wrap off your shoulder. Ensure that you maintain constant support for the baby. Then, pull down the fabric from their back and gently slip their legs out.